Hello boys, we are back on the charts as always on NASDAQ. So let's start reviewing it immediately. So let's go over the daily. So I want to show you how the daily is getting that nice opportunity right now where we do start shifting. We do make inversions here, which you can really see, but we do have an inversion here. Then we have this volume imbalance, which is the new week opening up. And if we do start moving upwards, then we do want to see this, right? So now we are getting in that moment where we can find opportunities. It's still early as we don't have a clear confirmed trend, but we are getting there. So first thing that jumps into my high is that price did not take previous day high and previous day low on NASDAQ and on ES, which is a good liquidity pool. What do we have above the previous day low? We do have a volume imbalance. What do we have below new day opening up? Previous day low, we have a busy. Okay, so we start having different levels right now. I'm gonna put this one on daily. There we go. And this one is going to be yellow as my volume imbalance. Usually put it in yellow. There we go. So, no, wait, let me make the font. Okay. So as we left these levels, my question right now is, do we need to see price going lower to continue higher, or can we see price just continue higher from this new week opening up? Well, my answer will be just wait and see, because now I don't want to anticipate on a Friday. So, Monday went lower, Tuesday went lower, Wednesday low of the week. We expand Tuesday a little bit. And today is Friday. So what's going to happen today? Well, probably we're going to move upwards, or we're going to retrace and, maybe keep price around the new week opening up. We are stuck here. Price is, it's like no one wants price out of the new week opening up. It's like there is a trap here and price is stuck for a while. So I do prefer to wait for better conditions where price starts moving. And I do have to make less guesswork on the daily. So yes, my targets are here, but I do want to see price confirming the bullishness. So that's it. It's going on the 4-hour. Again, all the levels are shown here. This is the monthly open. This is the daily busy. I can write it down so you don't forget. We have daily busy, new week opening up, new day opening up. Daily volume imbalance too. So here we go. What do you see here? 4-hour candles, dense 4-hour candles. Did you see this one happening where? Here. See how dense price gets? And when it gets dense is before a run. So yeah, of course we're gonna get a run out of this, but where? The problem is where? See how here you got very wiki and busy, and then he did what? A big run to the downside. Could be a reversal, could continue lower, could continue higher. We don't know until we see it. So the best trend here, you don't catch it inside the range, you catch it when it's going away from the range. See, one opportunity, another opportunity, and price reverse. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say. Don't lose your mind over this PA. It's gonna be a little bit harder. Focus on, if you really want to trade it, focus on short-term draws and leave partials, because you don't know, maybe today is the day where the run starts, but probably not. I will check next week with a new calendar. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the bias. Then let's go over the 1-hour. Once again, we do have levels below us, and new week opening up right now. See the bodies, they can't go below the new week opening up. I like to see that. We do have equal lows in the same way on NASDAQ right there. And looks like ES is a little bit weaker today, which is not a big deal, but we don't have major SMTs. We only have an SMT that happened yesterday between these two highs, but then it's all good. So if we zoom out a little bit and we put the levels on new week opening up, you can see how price is starting to reject the upper quadrants. Bodies can go through it, goes onto the 50, goes back into the 25, range bound condition. Maybe you're watching this CB and you're expecting price to go lower. Could happen, of course, it could happen. We could potentially go there. We do have another hourly here. It's hard to like, as I'm saying it, I see that using those levels is not as useful as using maybe this new day opening gap, the regular trading hours open gap, and the daily levels we talked about before. So if I'm adding more fair value gaps on the 4 hour, on the hourly, it's just gonna get busy, and I don't wanna work with a ton of different levels. I do just want to align time, the price action to my higher time frame, which is the daily or the 4 hour. But in this case, the 4 hours sucks, so I won't use that. So keep it simple and check this out. New day opening up. What are we gonna do with it? Well, price displays through it, but fail on this CB. Went up again, failed to close above it, and displays away from it. Having what? A big candle here with a fair value gap. So I do want to see if price can keep this bearishness and continue for the lows, or if we're gonna see maybe price manipulating, or maybe without even manipulating, coming back higher and then reject from the new day opening up. So this is kind of like my point of reference for the day. I do want to see if price can use it to continue higher, because in my mind, this is the power of 3 level, which, yeah, price already went up, but when we are going to open the regular trading hours, this is going to be my sideline level, which, you know, if price opens here, we're going to do whatever, and then I won't see expansion to the upside into the regular trading hour open gap. I hope you can follow what I'm saying, what I'm thinking. Right now, let's go through the 1 minute. You can see 6 a.m. open. We do have this large wick. I treat this one as a new wick opening up. Like a news. So I do want to see price going there. We do have equal lows. Yes, did take that out, but it doesn't really matter to me. I still want to see price going below, which is also the 4 hour formation now. And we do have more equal lows below. So I'm not scared about saying that this is a good draw. We do have a big accumulation there. Then again, I'm gonna be using the new day opening level, so really careful there. And I'm checking this 2 minute. I do want to see this 2 minute driving lower right now, and I want to see low resistance liquidity signatures. So this is main target for this setup, and then we're gonna be looking for these equal lows, and then of course the daily levels. But I don't want to get too far out of the new week opening up, because if we are gonna keep pumping, definitely price is not gonna close a candle below the new week opening up. So, you know, if we can wick through and come back up, that would be nice. Also because we do have failure swings here, which resides liquidity, as they see this as supply. We do know that this is a good swing high, which is current 4 hour high, and aligns with the regular trending hour open, which we're gonna review in a few seconds. So give me a little bit of time. Regular trending hour open. There we go. So what do you see in this chart? Well, in my eyes, already jumps immediately this. Equal lows from yesterday 10 a.m. low. Where are we right now? Well, we are around here. So if we open right here, we have the 50% aligning with the new day opening up. Imagine, now I'm saying this, but imagine like price opens here, right? What can we do? Well, I would like to see price going to the 50% and then rejecting and continue through this liquidity, and maybe we can get into the monthly open in these areas here to then maybe reject again. Okay, scenario 1. Scenario 2, price does not care about that. It takes this sell-side liquidity and starts going higher, fails and continue higher. What are we going to use in this instance? Well, we're going to use the new day opening up in the same way. but with another logic. Okay, so this is pretty much what I'm expecting and how I use the concepts. So let's see what happens. Let's see how far can we go, how many points the gap has, but it's really likely that it's gonna get close into the 50% at least. So that's what I'm watching. As of now, we do have 60 points, so I really think price is gonna go through this new day opening gap. So I want to see if we can run them and then continue lower, which, you know, resides all these sets that we talked about before. So yeah, that's pretty much my point for the day. And yeah, hope you liked it. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to. And you know, have a good trading day. And don't lose your mind over this PA. We're gonna get better PA next week and next month.